What if 80% of the work you're doing online is making you $0?
Most people online are grinding 20 tasks a day and still not making their first $1,000.
The secret isn't doing more, it's doing the vital few things that actually move the needle.
By the end of this video, you'll know the exact 3 moves that unlocked my first $1,000 online.
But first, why is the Vital Few strategy the most powerful earning framework online right now?
The do-everything approach is broken. Algorithms reward focus, not hustle. 3 barriers are blocking your first $1,000, and they're not what you think.
Barrier 1. Spreading yourself across too many income streams at once. Let's delete that now.
Here's the core idea, the Pareto principle. 20% of your actions produce 80% of your income.
Think of it like a CPU. Only a few processes run at full power. The rest are background noise.
Vital move 1. Choose one platform, not 5. 1. Master it before you go anywhere else.
Most people never hit $1,000 because they scatter their energy across everything at once.
Vital Move 2. One high-value offer. A single product or service worth $97 or more changes everything.
Here's how the math works. Sell 10 of a $100 product. That's your $1,000. Done. Vital Move 3. Systematic daily outreach to exactly 5 targeted people. Not mass spam, precision. Let's meet Alex, a side hustler grinding 6 hours a day on 12 different things, earning nothing. Alex applied the 3 vital moves, 1 platform, 1 offer, 5 outreaches, and hit $1,000 in 21 days.
This works because of one core truth. Focus multiplies effort. Dilution destroys it.
All right, quick system recap. 3 vital moves. Write them in your Notes app right now.
1. Master 1 platform. 2. Build 1 high-value offer. 3. 5 targeted outreaches daily.
Most people are still waiting to learn everything first. That wait is costing them thousands.
Every day you scatter your focus, the gap between you and $1,000 gets bigger. The system closes that gap. You now have the exact framework. The question is, will you act like the vital few or stay in the busy 80%? If this sparked something for you, subscribe and comment your one vital focus below. I read every one.
Execute the Vital Few. See you at $1,000.